How to edit and change your store time zone on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit this and change it. First open your browser and now once you're here, all you need to do just go to settings and then scroll down until you find date and time zone. Click on it. And as you see here, we'll find store settings, and here you can manage date settings, and that's it. Here we'll find your time zone. Click on it and select any time zone you want here, and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.